They parked over there. Oh, there's a... Oh, sh... Yeah.
My bike is so loud when I start it up though.
I know he's gonna look at us. Okay, I made direct eye contact and he didn't look at me twice, so I don't want to stick around, you know, because I also, my plate is very tucked.
No, he's coming over right now.
You guys recording?
Yeah.
You recording? Okay, was there... The reason I'm stopping him because there's a green motorcycle that's doing a wheelie on the road. Okay, that wasn't him?
No, it definitely wasn't him. His bike isn't fast enough to wheelie.
It's not fast enough to wheelie?
I swear it's not fast enough to wheelie that fast.
Other guys that you were riding with?
Huh?
You see other guys you were riding with, or?
He was probably like with us, but we just came from a meet, so
A meet?
yeah. So we were like obviously all rolling out together, but we don't know who he is.
Like a bicycle, a motorcycle meeting? Or?
Yeah, not like a. It's like a car meet.
Okay, where
Yeah.
everybody gets together and
Yeah, we literally just hung out there for like an hour or so.
Okay.
But I promise you it was not him. His bike is not fast enough to wheelie. On my life, I swear on my life.
Okay, I think he smiled.
Let's go.
You said like the bike wasn't fast enough.
Yeah.
I was like, it's not.
Yeah, when you pulled up, I thought I was cool.
I know, me too.
Alright, let's get it. Alright, testing this bike at night. It honestly feels pretty nice. The light, pretty bright. Oh, that's a cop right there. Please don't pull me over. Dude, you gotta be shit. Literally.
How's it going?
How you doing?
Good, just so you know my body camera's off.
Yeah, you're all good.
Hey, the reason I stopped you is that you're on an electric motorcycle.
I'm sorry. Yeah, I was just riding this to work. They sent me it, and I was just reviewing it, but...
Sent you it?
Yeah, I post content on YouTube.
Oh, okay. And then this pink form is how you get the bike back. Okay.
Oh, it's getting impounded.
What's your channel called?
Revster YT.
Revster?
Revster.
Revster. How long have you had it going?
Like 5 months.
Oh, okay. You already get free bikes?
I know, supposedly they have a street legal one, so they're gonna send me that, which that one's below the requirements. The 700.
Frigo does?
Yeah.
Do you have it on?
I might.
I'm curious.
I might, yeah.
I just want to see what it is.
It literally looks just like my bike, the other one.
Yeah.
But you know how it had that street legal mode? It doesn't have the 50
It has
mile.
no other modes? Oh, wow. So what model is that one?
The X1 SE.
I have X1 series. Oh yeah, X1. 750 watts. Yeah. So that one looks
That one's completely street legal.
750 watts, 28 miles an hour, which is the top speed they can go.
I'm gonna send you that one to review.
Yeah.
What's the Nova 4? What are the specs on that bad boy?
It's not as impressive as this other one. 6,000 watts, 45 miles an hour in sport. What'd your other one do, like 50 something?
Yeah, the other one actually went faster.
Like for a studio, well, not so much with John. Well, we're and well, thank God we started this. So I wasn't surprised or disappointed even really. I was just kind of, you know, bummed out, but a little bit. I was like, this is part of the game. This is, you know, So then we kept the search going. We kept the tours going. We found another one that was pretty that night. But that one we didn't even really get rejected. Like, also there was a few other people there, and then I was like, okay, we'll just wait for a response now. And Yudeki's out here like, oh, just call him. Oh hell no. Oh no.
License? I'll take the key, alright?
Alright.
Just pull over to the right. Where's your plate, bro?
Oh, it's right over here.
Huh?
I was just taking some pictures with it.
So you know you're being recorded.
Yeah.
Can't have the plate covered like that, man.
Alright. Alright. Thank you, bro.
Just have it open up.
Okay, you got it. Thank you.
Oh,
Thank you. Fuck, that was a close call. Back to the vlog, but god damn, that was. They were looking for somebody else because they said some moped. They ran my plates, ran me my license. Were not looking for me.
Check ça. Non, t'inquiète. T'as vu? Ben, je vais à fond, là, c'est ça le problème. T'inquiète, on arrive bientôt. Putain, gros accent. Ouais, t'inquiète. Après, je vais chez nous puis j'attends.
C'est moi, ça c'est pour moi, ça c'est sûr. C'est une évidence. Bon bah les gars, je crois que c'est mon premier contrôle. Tiens, j'entends pas la sonnette.
Bonjour monsieur.
Bonjour.
Gendarmerie, votre plaque, elle n'est pas du tout conforme. Elle est plus petite.
Aucune idée, je l'ai acheté comme ça la moto.
D'accord.
Vous filmez là pour l'instant là?
Comment?
Vous filmez là actuellement là?
Ouais.
Je vais éteindre un petit peu
Ouais.
le temps de... Oui, si je filme. C'est quoi, c'est une 125?
Non, 450.
150. Ouais, je vois ça.
Enduro.
Là, ça roule bien.
Ça va.
Ça va?
Vous voulez les papiers?
Ouais,
J'ai rien sur moi, enfin j'ai le permis mais j'ai pas mes papiers sur moi.
Ouais.
J'ai l'assurance si vous voulez sur le téléphone.
Vous t'amusez où alors du coup là?
Oh rien, là je vais rejoindre un ami agriculteur qui doit être quelque part ici normalement dans les champs.
C'est qui l'agriculteur?
Vous connaissez?
Un petit peu, ouais. Régulation,
Ah oui. Mais par contre je l'ai vraiment acheté comme ça la moto.
Non, on vous croit.
après au moins elle est immatriculée.
Après, il faudra la changer parce que sinon, c'est 90 €.
Mais je vais la changer où?
Dans un garage.
Je suis assuré chez AMV, j'ai la photo. Je me suis assuré il y a quelques jours. Et le permis moto je l'ai depuis 3 semaines je crois. Bon du coup faut que je change la plaque alors.
Ouais, il faudra changer la plaque.
C'est quoi, c'est les grosses plaques carrées là?
Ouais, il faut les plaques carrées.
Mais si je l'achète, pourquoi ils me la mettent pas directement alors?
Pardon?
Si j'achète la moto, pourquoi elle est censée être homologuée?
Pourquoi
C'est le garage qui l'a...
Ouais. En fait, je l'ai fait livrer. Je l'ai acheté, je crois. Non, bah je vais faire ça alors. Puis je mettrai celle-là quand j'irai dans les bois.
Bien sûr, mais
Oh, merci.
Ok.
Ok.
Parce que là, même par exemple, passer un radar, tout ça,
Ouais.
c'est impossible de lire votre plaque.
Ok.
Regardez, t'as 50 cm, c'est pour la lire.
Ouais, bah non, il arrivera pas.
Après, c'est sûr que c'est mieux comme ça, un peu plus design, c'est mieux comme ça. Quoi, mais...
Ouais, aussi, c'est vrai.
C'est vrai qu'il n'est pas très lisible.
Ah, puis je vous dis, ça fait même pas un mois que je l'ai, je viens de l'acheter.
Non, mais pas de soucis.
Bon, merci. Hein.
C'est une bonne journée.
Ouais, vous aussi. Au revoir.